go. I've had some trials and it's been a rough road, but when I started I made up my mind I would never ever look behind. There is nothing that this world holds. I'll keep on reaching for a higher goal, trading my trials for a robe and crown, 'cause I know I'm heaven bound. Ain't nothing gonna blur my vision, 'cause I know that it's for Him I'm living. Though the road is very narrow and straight, I can almost see those pearly gates. Seems I'm always looking toward the sky. It won't be long until I'm ready to fly. Can't hardly wait to hear the trumpet sound, 'cause I know I'm heaven bound. Down here on earth it seems there's nothing to gain. Every day there's only sorrow and pain, but nothing in this world matters to me. I just want to see the King of Kings. I just want to see my Savior